Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Office install errors like error code, we could not install or installation failed or something went wrong. Additionally, I'm getting the error, we couldn't install Office, please uninstall the following product, OneNote or any Office apps. These issues are super common, but today I will give you a 100% working fix that works on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. To fix this issue, we need to install an uninstaller tool that also cleans leftover registry entries. I'll leave the official website link in the description below. First, we'll download Revo Uninstaller free version. Click on the free download button. Once the setup file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder. Right-click on the Revo setup file and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Now select your preferred language and click OK. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. Click Next again and finally click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, tick mark the Launch Revo box and click Finish. The Revo Uninstaller window will now open. Here, find any version of Microsoft Office or any additional Microsoft Office software like OneNote, etc. If you see it here, right-click on it and click Uninstall. You'll see an option to create a restore point. We don't need it, so uncheck it and click Continue. If you're getting the uninstall button here, click on Uninstall and wait until it's done. Once it's done, select the moderate option in the Revo Uninstaller window and click on Scan. If the scan option is disabled, wait for a few seconds, then the Microsoft Office Uninstall Complete pop-up will appear. Click Close and now you can see the scan button is available. Click on it. Wait, and you will see a list of Microsoft Office related registry files. Click on Select All, then click Delete. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. After that, you have successfully uninstalled Microsoft Office completely from your PC. Close the Revo Uninstaller window. Now do one more step to uninstall any leftover Office files from your PC. Go to your Windows search bar and type Get Help. Open the Get Help System app. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar. Here, type Uninstall Microsoft Office and press Enter. You will see a result that says Uninstall Microsoft Office. Click Yes, it will uninstall any hidden or broken Office versions that were created during a failed install. Now a PowerShell window will open. Wait until the uninstall process is complete. In my case, it says there are no supported Office products installed because I already did this process before making the tutorial. If you still have any leftover Office software, it will be uninstalled and you will see a message like Office product uninstalled successfully. Press any key to close the PowerShell window and then close the Get Help window. Now we will try to install Microsoft Office the correct way. I have already downloaded the required Office setup tool. Many people try to install Office directly by clicking on the folder or typing CMD in the folder address bar and running the setup command from there. While it sometimes works, it's not the proper method and can cause issues. So here's the correct way. Go to your Windows search bar and type CMD and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Now go to your Office setup folder and copy the full folder path. Come back to CMD, type CD, give a space and paste the folder path, then press Enter. Now your command prompt is set to that folder. Here, type the setup command and press Enter. Microsoft Office will now start installing properly. If you want to see the full step-by-step process to install Microsoft Office 2024 Pro Plus, I will leave the video link in the description and also on the end screen. Wait for the installation to finish and your Office product will be installed successfully without any error. So this is the simple and 100% working method to fix this Microsoft Office installation error. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and take care.